class we have discussed about the atomic size and how does it varies on moving top to bottom and left to right in the periodic table. Now the second topic or second trend that we have to discuss is valence electrons and valency. So we'll be starting with valence electrons. Now children, we know that valence electrons are the electrons present in outermost or valence shell of an atom, right? Now how can you take out the valence electrons? For any atom you will write the configuration. Say for example we have taken magnesium. You will write the configuration. First of all write the atomic number, then you write the configuration 2, 8, 2. Now you have 3 shells, K shell, L shell, M shell, and M is the outermost shell, because when you will draw it, the first shell will be having 2 electrons. This is your K shell. Then second shell will have 8 electrons. This is your L shell, and the last shell will be having 2 electrons, and this will be your M shell. So the outermost electron is 2. So the valence electrons are 2. Okay, and I have also told you that you can relate the group number with the valence electrons. As group number 1 and 2 के केस में valence electrons are equal to group number. Then if valence electrons are more than 2 to 8, then group number is equal to 10 plus valence electrons. This rule I have explained in the last video also. So see the condition. If you have the valence electrons 1 or 2, then it is equal to group number. If the valence electrons are more than 2, then more than 2 means it goes from 3 to 8, then your group number is equal to 10 plus valence electron. Now let's see how does it changes from top to bottom and left to right. So first of all, let's see in the top to bottom, that is group. How does it varies? Top to bottom. So let's take one example of group number 1 itself. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. 1, 3, 11, 19, 37 and likewise this. तो अब इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखो 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 8, 1, 2, 8, after third period you know it comes 18 it once, और सेम वे इनके हमारे बनेंगे 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 1, 2, 8, 18, 18, 32, 1. तो ये हमारे पास में हम क्या देखते हैं कि आउटर मोस्ट शेल पे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं दैट इज़ रिमेनिंग कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिमेनिंग कांस्टेंट. Whichever group it belongs to, that group consists of same valence electrons. That is why they are from the same group. किसी भी ग्रुप के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो उस ग्रुप के मेंबर ही इसलिए हैं बिकॉज दे हैव द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन सेम. सो व्हेन यू आर मूविंग टॉप टू बॉटम द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स remain constant. But if you see that how does it varies in a in a period. That means when we are moving left to right. So again, let's see period number 2. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Lithium atomic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. अब इन सब की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखेंगे 2,1, 2,2, 2,3, 2,4, 2,5, 2,6, 2,7, 2,8. Now see the valence electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you are moving from left to right, these elements are belonging from different groups, right? These elements are belonging from different groups. That is why their valence electrons are changing. Now let us also do this. Let us also predict their group numbers. अब rule के हिसाब से this is 1 electron in the outermost shell, so this is group number 1. 2 electron in the outermost shell, this is group number 2. अब 2 से ज़्यादा, that is 3 to 8. When these are the valence electron, what you will do? You will add 10 in this, right? You will add 10 and you will get the group number. Why we are adding 10? Because जो बीच के 10 ग्रुप हैं, जो पीरियोडिक टेबल का अगर आपको आउटलाइन मैंने समझाई थी, in this as we have seen कि हम ये 10 जो elements हैं, we are not counting it. So that is why we are not counting means we are not studying right now. So we are not studying the group 3 to 12. So after 1 and 2, whatever is the valence electron, we'll add them up to get 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Add them up with 10 to get the group number. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So like this we have elements from the different groups when we are moving across the period. So this will be 3. So plus 10 करोगे 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So like this you can predict. अब let us make the shorthand representation. Shorthand representation बच्चों is very important because for every trend when you will draw it, then it is very important while you are doing the revision of the chapter, because these things will help you to understand the concept in just 1 minute, 1 second you will understand, because you need not to completely go again through all this thing. Just see the shorthand representation. Group and period. So in group you have written valence electrons remain constant, and in period you will write valence electrons increases from 1 to 8. So this is the second trend of valence electrons. I think आप सबको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. So let's see the next trend, trend number 3, and that is valency. We define valency as capacity of any element or you can say atom to combine. Now how to take out the valency of a certain atom? So valency can be taken out by the valence electrons. If valence electrons can be from 1 to 8. Okay. So now there are two conditions. If valence electrons are less than 4, in that case valency is equal to valence electrons. If valence electrons are more than 4, why we are taking 4? Because that will be the mid value of 8. Then valency is equal to 8 minus valence electrons. तो ये रूल याद रखना है. अब हम देखते हैं टॉप टू बॉटम और लेफ्ट टू राइट में कैसे चेंज आना है. As we have just now studied here that on moving top to bottom the valence electrons remain constant. जैसे मैंने ग्रुप 1 के लिए किया, ऐसे आप ग्रुप 2, ग्रुप 13, 14, 15, 16 किसी के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. And you will get to know that in all the groups you will find the outermost electrons are coming constant. Now if the valence electrons are coming constant, then definitely the valency is also same. So in a group, as valence electrons are constant, valency also remain constant. But in a period, when you see in a period, across a period means left to right, you can see that valence electrons are changing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So valency will also show a gradual change. अब देखो, इसमें ही हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं वैलेंसी का. अब वैलेंसी कैलकुलेट करेंगे. कीप दिस फॉर्मूला इन योर ब्रेन कि हमें किस केस में 8 माइनस वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन करना है, एंड इन व्हाट केस वी हैव टू कीप द वैलेंसी इक्वल टू वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो हियर द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1, सो द वैलेंसी विल ऑल्सो बी पहले वाले केस में फॉल करेगी लेस देन 4 में. तो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड वैलेंसी विल बी सेम. हेयर ऑल्सो सेम, हेयर ऑल्सो सेम, हेयर ऑल्सो सेम. बट व्हेन इट गोज अबव 4, then valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron. So now it is above 4, 5 आ गया. So it is 8 minus 5 is 3, then this is 2, this is 1, and this is 0. So if we have to draw the trend for this in the shorthand representation, we can make it like this. Group and period. In group it remains, valency remain constant. As valence electrons are constant. But if you talk about a period, it first goes from 1, then it goes to 2, then 3, then 4, then again it comes down to 3, then 2, to 1, and finally it comes to 0. So valency first go to up, it increases to 4, and then 4 to 0. So like this the valency changes for a period. So this way we have discussed 2 more trends, that is valence electrons and valency.